Hello friends, how are you all? Today I want to show my another script. Okay, so I hope that is really helpful for everyone. Okay, so if anyone need this script, direct c- comment on my YouTube channel or in LinkedIn. I will share with you. Okay, so I show you my tool. Here you have to mention your main geometry. In our case, this is my main geometry. Okay, and after that I select all the child geometry. See, in my case 1 2 3 and 4 is my child geometry, and just click on build rig. Okay, this will create a follicle as per the near object, as per on near the geometry on selected object. See here, my all four follicle is created: 1 2 3 and 4, and it is parented also. Okay, if you see now, if you see here, my all the geometry is connected and parented also. And I think scale also, no, scale is not connected yet. If you want scale also, then let me know. I will add that scale also. Okay, so this is my connection. First is this tool, I think. Wait, I think you use this Rivet tool. It is same like Rivet tool, but it is a different concept. Okay, and now I move to my secondary option. Okay, so you read this create control on selected the vertex. So if I select any vertex, just select the vertex and click on this, it will create our controller. If you check here na, if you see here, it's created my two uh, two controller here, because of I will show you here. If I select this vertex and go into modeling and UV editor, see, in this case two UVs are selected, 1 and 2. That's because our two control is created. If you need only follicle on the selected vertex, then delete these groups. That's it. Your follicle all is stay there on the selected vertex position. Okay, I will show you another. See, only the 4 controller is created, and for the follicle also. Okay, and if you move now, that will really help. Or if suppose I need to if you check here, is uh, joint, constraint, and you have to just add parent constraint. If you check here, geometry is positioned as per my joint, and now I delete the constraint, and if now I want edit freeze all, okay, and now I bind this skin, bind skin, and now it is bind as per my joint created or controller created, if you see here. And if I want to move this, it will go with our sphere. Okay, so in this case you can use your any geometry, and I hope that this tool really helps you. Okay guys, then thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel, or if you found this tool really helpful, then if you need or also then comment, I will give you this tool. Thank you so much. Take care everyone.